This is Math Set 7, question 2. There are some marbles in 3 containers, X, Y, and Z. 40% of the marbles in container X is equal to 25% of the number of marbles in container Y. Now, 40%, I know we always write it as 2/5. 25%, we always write it as 1/4. Okay, so this is something that we all know. So basically, 2/5 of X is equals to 1/4 of Y. This is what this sentence actually says. The number of marbles in container Z is 1/3 the number of marbles in Y. So Z to Y is 1:3. Okay, so basically I have my ratio in already. Now problem is this: when I have a question like this, you have to know that numerator should be made the same. So in this case, as I explained in class quite a few times already, 2/5 X equals to 2/8 Y. So X to Y is actually 5:8. Now, I have my two sets of ratio, and from there, I can actually make Y the same, because these two are what is common here. So this one times 8, this one times 3. I have 8:24 times 3. I have 15:24. Okay, so once I have my ratio in, the whole question become much easier. Express the number of marbles in Z as a fraction of the marbles in X. So Z over X equals to, Z is 8, X is 5. So express the number of marbles as a fraction is 8/5, and that is my answer. The fraction is 8/5. Okay, you can leave it as an improper fraction because they actually ask for a fraction. Okay, mixed number is not a fraction. Mixed number, if you express 1 3/5, is an actual number. Okay, now B, if half of the marbles in Y is transferred to Z, there will be 80 marbles in container Z. Half of Y, so Y will have 24. Okay, so 24 divided by 2 equals to 12. So if I transfer 12 units from Y to Z, okay, there will be 80 marbles. So how many units will Z have? Z will have 12 plus 8 equals to 20. So 20 units is 80 marbles. 1 unit is 80 divided by 20 equals to, 4 marbles. Okay, 4 marbles. Now from there, we know that 1 unit is 4 marbles. They ask how many marbles are there in X. X would have 15 units. So 15 units is 4 times 15 equals to 60. So there are 60 marbles in container X. Okay, question 2 done. Now let's move on to question 3. Okay, seemingly a difficult question, but it's rather easy once you get a hang of it. Okay, now ABC, we know ABC is a right angle triangle. The sides have a ratio of 5:4:3. Now this is common knowledge that these two sides will always be shorter than this side. Okay, this side is always the long side. Okay, now in this case, this will be 5, this would be 4 because it's longer than this. This will be 3. Okay, now given that AB is the diameter of the circle, okay, and the perimeter of the triangle is 21, okay, find the area of the shaded part. Very simple question. First, I have to find how many units total. 5 plus 3 plus 4, you will get 12 units. Okay, now 12 units is 21 cm. 1 unit is 1.75 cm. Okay, 1.75 cm. 1 unit is 21 divided by 12. Now next, I know that diameter is 5 units. So 5 units is 1.75 cm times 5 equals to 8.75 cm. Okay, so this diameter, radius would be 8.75 divided by 2 equals to 4.375 cm. Okay, next I have to find my area of the circle. So area of the circle, is rather straightforward. Pi r square equals to pi is given as 3.14 times 4.375 times 4.375 cm equals to you will get 60.101. Okay, we always try, if it's too long we shorten it to 4 decimal places, so it becomes 6. Okay, now this is cm square. Okay, what do I need to find? I need to find the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is 4 units will be 1.75 times 4 equals to 7 cm, and this is 3 units. 3 times 1.75 cm equals to 5.25 cm. So the triangle is half times 7 times 5.25, oh, forgot my cm, equals to 18.375 cm square. So the answer can be found simply by taking the whole circle minus away the triangle. Okay, and you will get 60.1016 minus 18.375 equals to 41.7266. Now usually we will round up or round down to the nearest 2 significant figures or 2 decimal places, so it becomes 41.73. okay, so the area is 41.73 cm square. Okay.